Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, do what to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so that whenever we post videos on this channel, you'll be first to be notified. Today we're looking at the world pandemic, coronavirus. So many persons have heard the word corona, but we don't really know what corona means. Coronavirus is simply an infectious disease that is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. The coronavirus is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Okay, and then so many persons are scared. How do I not get corona? Um, how do I get to prevent myself from getting corona? What are the symptoms of corona? It's a world problem. The symptoms of corona, respiratory problems. You know, when you have corona, you tend to have respiratory issues. Um, in terms of breathing, um, because one of the major organs affected by corona in the human body is the lungs. It also includes fever. You tend to have fever if you have corona, and you cough. You know, you cough repeatedly. That's also a symptom of corona. And then shortness of breath. When you have a respiratory issue, you will not be able to breathe well. Like I said, corona, one of the major organs affected by corona is the lungs. So when your lungs is affected, you cannot have a free airflow, and then it causes shortness of breath. In some severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, okay, and sometimes even death. So corona is not something you play with. You notice that you have fever, you have cough, and then difficulty in breathing. It is advisable you go over immediately to see a doctor. Um, Take a corona test, okay, to know um, the state of your health. It is very, very important. Okay. I want you also to know that coronavirus is not a death sentence. Okay. So many persons have gotten the virus, they've been taken care of, and they are fine today. They are okay. They are back to their normal life. Okay, so when you have corona, it's not a death sentence. Okay, so be rest assured that if you take good care of yourself, I mean, go to the hospital, get that, and then you get the necessary um health care, you'll be fine. Corona is not a death sentence. One of the trending things, one thing that everybody knows is what physical or social distancing. Okay, at least give a gap of 1 meter. Okay, standing next to a neighbor, you mustn't stand very close to a neighbor. Okay, avoid handshakes. All right, because these viruses, they are very contagious. Okay, avoid handshakes. Maintain social distancing, at least 1 meter from your nearest neighbor, and then also quarantine. Okay, if you don't have coronavirus, one of the ways you can avoid having coronavirus is to quarantine. All right, when you're alone and in the house or in a room, and you're not infected already, you're good, because you have no contact with humans. The virus travels through humans. So if you're alone, if you're in quarantine, be rest assured you cannot get the virus. All right, and if you also have the virus, you're advised to go into quarantine. All right, so you can be able to save other people from getting the virus. Yeah, because when you're in quarantine, the virus is contained. You're able to take care of yourself until you're fine before you come out to the public. All right. Ventilation of indoor spaces is a very important aspect of preventive measures. Okay, you ventilate public spaces, indoor spaces. All right, you open up your indoor spaces, allow fresh air, ventilation to come in. All right, it also helps to prevent corona. All right, and next is when you cough. When you cough or you sneeze, you sneeze into your elbow, just like that, and then you cough into your elbows as well. Okay, it's a very preventive measure, because for example you have corona and you don't know about it. When you cough into your elbow, it helps prevent someone else very close to you getting the virus. All right. So when you cough or you cough and sneeze into your elbows. And then one more important thing is washing your hands regularly. You must wash your hands regularly, okay? Because most times your hands are have been placed on infected surfaces. Okay, these viruses can be killed by soaps, hand sanitizers, and all. And also, when you wash your hands, you're probably washing off these viruses, or you're killing them. In a way, you're making your hands clean, and then you're trying to prevent yourself from having the coronavirus. And then you must not touch your face, all right? Because these viruses can penetrate your body not through your hand, okay, but through your eyes, your nose, your mouth, parts of your body that have liquids in them. Your eyes has water, your nose has liquids in it, and your mouth has saliva. Okay, so you must not touch your mouth, your eyes, your hands. Get your hands off your body, okay? All right. So that is just it. Basically. And then I encourage you, if you've not been vaccinated for coronavirus, um, do well to get yourself vaccinated. Okay, it is very very important. When you're vaccinated, you stand a chance never to get the virus. All right, it's a preventive measure as well. You get vaccinated because vaccines are okay. You make sure you get vaccinated and then stay safe. Okay, thank you guys. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do well to like the video. All right. See you next time.